Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to do task number 2 on sports team project task number 2. So it states, in cell J4 to J13, insert a column Sparkline to compare the goal/points scored through January to June for each player. How you would do that is, you click onto trend, go to the insert, you see onto your Sparklines on your ribbon, go to columns. From there, highlight January to June. Click OK, and then your first one will be done. You can use the autofill handle to fill in the rest. What is good about a table is that Excel would recognize there's a trend that is going on, so it will help you automatically fill in the rest. That's the beauty of a table then onto a structure range. Hope that helps and have a great day.